Hello, I'm Shota. You are 14C028. This is my fourth WebTech. This is my fourth database lab experiment, and it's based on set operations and join. Set operations means union, minus, intersect, etc. And join. For these four types of join: inner join, full outer join, full left join, and right inner join. So now I'm gonna enter this query. You can see these 10 query, and what the table is making changes. I'm gonna explain it to you. So this, you can see, this is my spool file over here, and now I explain in every single keyword how I'm using it. So in first I'm using my union. So union, what it does, it takes the common out between the two tables, and it removes the duplicate between the two tables. So you can see I'm taking common from the supplier and the product table, and I'm getting the output. And in second query, it's asking to display the detailed product and that yet to deliver. So here I have to use the keyword minus. So what's in the table product, it has to be minus between what's in the order quantity. So I'll get something like that and name the list, and we already ordered. So here for this I'm using my right join. Right join means taking the, and join means like taking finding the details on the basis of common field between two tables. So right joins means taking, it will take the common uh, same field between two tables, where it will take every detail from the right table, but taking the detail which are common in the left table. So that what right join does, and displaying the details of the product that are within deliver. So here we have to check. Here we have to check. Here we are using. Here we are simply uh, using the minus, and here we are taking the date from the supplier table and the order table, and then we are by using minus keyword we are checking if it's less than 10, then we are showing it. And the fifth query is like this. Here we have to display the detail of a customer who has already received their order product. So here I'm using the and product and checking if they have common things between them. So I'm using my customer table and the order and the supplier. So next, here for this query I'm using, here we have to find if the quantity is greater than 10. So here I'm using again the left join. So left join means yeah, taking the every single detail from the left table which is common with the right table, so it will show the common detail. So here you can see the word on, and this line will check if it's kind of condition, if its ID is matching or not, and if the order quantity is less than 10, then it will show the output. And on 7th we are showing, here we have to use the inner joins. Inner joins means if at least at least one field is common between the two tables, then it will show the output. So here they're asking us to display the order, means order date with the customer name. So this is the date you can see, and then that's why getting customer and order quantity and order, because order quantity price is in order quantity, and order date from order date means, sorry, order, we are taking the order date, and after seeing if their IDs are matching, then we are showing this output. Now the 8th is, here again we have to use the left inner joins. So by using 3 table, we are checking if the ID is same, then we are doing the left inner join and taking every detail of the product and checking if the quantity is product in a quantity, order quantity table is same, product ID, then it will show the output. And full outer join means it has one one field common in a table, means if even if one is common, then it will show the output. So here we have to show the customer and the order as well as order detail. So we want the common details. So here by using the full outer join, we and by checking if they have common between them, then uh, it will show the output. And now the last query. Here we have to display the supplier, means here we have to check if the supplier who is supplying it like the product is already delivered or not, and if that product's ID is matching with the supplier, and where the product description, here they are specifying if the description is same. So we are using left inner because we want every detail of a supplier, but if their SID is matching with the product ID, then it will show the output. So this was my fourth database lab experiment. Thank you.